Hello friends, this is your host Yubaraj Rai. I do full stack web development and I'm here to share basic ideas about starting WordPress in an easy way with localhost. If you are familiar with XAMPP, WAMP, MAMP, all these localhost machine, while using that machines, you have to download the WordPress root files manually and use the root files by copying. Okay, so suppose you can go this get WordPress and you can get the download links of WordPress. So after downloading, you will be using by copying the root files. Okay, so all these all these things you don't have to do with new systems with new virtual machine. So what is that virtual machine? I will be talking about that today. Okay, so let's see. Today I'll be talking about that virtual machine local by Flywheel, which enables you to start WordPress project in an easy way. Okay, so let's see or how we can get that app local by Flywheel. You can Google here and you can see follow these links localwp.com. Okay, so with this URL with this domain you can see here download option, and with this download option you can choose your system, Mac, Windows, Linux 7 or Linux RPM, which kind of system you are using. If you are using Windows, choose this and fill all the options as required. Suppose my first name, my last name, my working email, let's leave empty phone number. Okay, get this app. You can see here the download the file is downloading. So from here like this you can get this app, and installing this local by Flywheel we can start WordPress project easily. So how we can launch the project with local by Flywheel? Let's look on that. Okay, so I will not be waiting this downloading because I have already installed the app. So I'm going to open this app. Here you can see local by file. I already have installed app. Open this. Okay, let's wait for a while. I think it is asking for a new version. Okay, close it for now. It takes few seconds to start. So let's wait till until it starts. Okay, here our machine is started. Local web flywheel uses virtual host. It uses Docker system, so it uses virtual box, Oracle VM virtual box. You don't need to worry about this another app, because while installing local web flywheel, it install Oracle VM virtual box itself. Okay, so let's see how we start the project inside this machine. Here you can see add local site plus sign. So click here, and before waiting for this input box, expand this advanced option. You can see here you need what you need. So first let's input project name. Okay, so WP basic. Here you can see it is already creating filling two fields, local site domain and local site path. But if you want to manage yourself project root, you have to create project folder in your project management directory. Okay, So let's do that. I'm going to create my project inside E drive workshop. So WP basic. This is my project. If you use this workshop folder directly, it will local by Flywheel will clean all these folders. So be aware about creating the directories of root. Okay, so here is our project folder I have created. I will copy I will copy this root. Okay, let's browse it, paste it, enter. Here you can see the path is selected. Now select this folder. You can see here E workspace W basic. Okay, if you want to manage this dot local name or your virtual host name, you can edit this. Let's make it wbasic.log. Okay, continue. So let's leave it preferred. Continue. So here is two fields to create super admin user. Okay, admin 123. Okay, admin 123. Leave the email as it is. You need to be worried about this. You can change later after installing WordPress. So if you are not familiar with WordPress author user capabilities, like I mentioned super admin, the first user while creating localhost with the WordPress, the user we add always be super admin. Okay, let's look at user capabilities once. Here you can see WordPress support article roles and responsibilities. Follow this link and and study this article. Basically, I'll show now here. Super admin, administrator, editor, author, contributor, and subscriber. There are various capabilities of users, various authentication integrated by WordPress to make easy to handle, to separate every roles for every users in your team. Okay, so while creating this first user, this will be always your super admin. If you want to change or if you want to assign other user this super admin role, you have to use command line. So okay, now let's continue. Add site. Let's wait for a while. Okay, if it asks for this, click on yes. Here you can see, guys, our W basic project is started. And okay, so let's click on visit view site. Here you can see we already have our basic project. So let's log in. Dolby admin 123, enter. Okay, close this pop-up. Here you can see we already have our dashboard. So here you can see in our project folder, it manages our root files inside the app folder, app public. Here you can see, as I already have mentioned, we don't need to do all the download and copy the root files things to while creating this WordPress project with Flywheel. So okay, now and the list of project on the left side you can see here, and you can click one project and scroll down this project list. Here you can see our WP Basic is listed and started here. You can stop the project if you don't need to run now. It will take a few seconds. Here our project is closed. Or if you want to start, you can start by clicking on that option again. So here PC version and MySQL version is running, launching. Okay. So after after looking at this, why Flywheel and next level? If you are familiar with database import export features, uh, we always use localhost and PHP myadmin to export the database. Okay, but with this Flywheel, you don't need to be worried about backup and all the things database. So it will back up all the database itself. So you can see here with the inside the project app folder with the public. Here you can see SQL folder separately. Here you can see all the tables of the database is backup here, and it will be syncing with our adminer, or I mean adminer means database runner, database platform, which we use PHP if we are using uh, Jamp. So how we can get that adminer on browser if we are using Flywheel? Let's look on that. Here you can see different tab options: SSL, utilities, overview, and database. Right? So you can click here on database tab, and you can see here adminer button. Click here. You can see this. It always use local database name. Okay, so you can see here all these tables are here: WP comment, meta, WP comments, WP links, options, and all these tables are listed here: meta, comments schema, etc. Right? So you don't need to be worried about database backup also. Another feature of this Docker web Flywheel, you can see a live link. You can enable this option if you are working on localhost and you want to share your project to check, to supervise, to QC, to quality, to analysis by your friend. So at that concept, at that time, you can use this live link by enabling. Okay, let's check it. Enable this. Okay, you can see that. After enabling, you can see here, you can disable again. You can enable this. So after enabling, you can see this link here with the different unique ID. Okay, you can click on this. So this link also giving same project, same view of the project, right? If you send this link by copying to your friend, while you have started project and running the project, at that time your friend also can access this view on his computer of your local project. So this is the best part of the Flywheel Docker. So as I was talking about user, so you can see here user menu, and we have one user we have created while installing. Now if you want to create another users, there is facility to add new. Okay, so you can see here, and you can choose the role: administrator, editor, author, contributor, subscriber, right? So as I have mentioned earlier, if you want to give super admin role to user to newly created administrator user, you have to use command line on that case. Okay, so you can see here on appearance themes, basic themes, default themes by WordPress. Let's update it. All the basic settings of WordPress already set up. Okay, now it is ready to start your project with the theme. At the end, if you are not familiar with this project, how to start theme, how to start new project, you can see my previous videos which was created in Nepali language uh, with XAMPP localhost, and with that was created on three video series. So I hope that will help you. Okay guys, so this was just a short idea sharing for beginners. So thank you very much for watching this video.